हम्म, अच्छा लगा।
Hi everyone. Madam, can you please give me the host access? Yep, thank you. Fine. Yes, 7 people have joined. We'll just wait for others to join for 2 minutes. Then we can start the session. Okay. Okay, fine. Let us not wait. Already it's 5 minutes. Okay. There is a small change with you people permission. I've seen other decks which are very big. We couldn't able to complete in one session. So for the sake of completion of a single topic, I've chosen this lightning arrestor. Tomorrow, we will discuss the electrical hazards in the two sessions. Okay. Yeah. Anybody, anybody having an idea what is mean by the lightning arresters? Have you people seen anywhere? You can put in chat box. No problem. So as we seen, I think in the right side of the picture, you can see why the lightning arresters are required, or the importance to protect our premises from the discharge of the electricity, the energy from the clouds. As we seen in the previous class, which is connecting subject, due to the higher the amount of the static electricity which is accumulated in between the clouds and the air which is there in between, due to the sudden discharge, the thunders will generate a high amount of electrostatic or electrical or energy which will discharge. If you see, lightning is a naturally occurring electrostatic discharge during which two electrically charged regions, both in the atmosphere or with one on the ground, temporarily neutralize themselves and causing the instantaneous release of an average of 1 gigajoule of energy. This discharge may cause a wide range of electromagnetic radiation. It is almost 1 gigajoule of energy. It is very huge number. From heat created by the rapid movement of electrons to the brilliant flashes of visible light, you can able to see the visible light from the far distances. In a form of black body radiation, the lightning occurs thunder and a sound from a shock wave which develops as a gases in the vicinity of the discharge experiences a sudden increase in the pressure. Also, the lightning occurs commonly during thunderstorms as well as excuse me, other types of energetic weather systems, but also a volcanic lightning can also occur during the volcanic eruption. It is a natural electrostatic discharge, the lightning. Okay, this is how it happens. There are three main kind of lightnings are discharged by where they occur. One is either inside either a single thunder cloud or between two different clouds. Either it may be a single cloud or it may be a two different clouds, or between a cloud and the ground also. Because of the cloud is highly charged, because of Earth is act as a neutral or highly positive charge. So then there is a chance of a discharge. When the cloud comes closer or any elevated surfaces are nearby, there may be a chance to discharge. And many other observational variant are recognized, including heat lightning, which can be seen from the great distances, but also not hot, or dry lightning, which can cause forest fires, and also the ball lightning, which is rarely observed in scientific. So there are different types. Heat lightning, which can be seen, but there is no the sound which is generated. And also dry lightning can be able to have potential or capacity to create a forest fire. Then we see the purpose of lightning arrestor. The purpose of lightning arrestor is to attract the lightning from the sky and to pass it into a ground, and also not allowing it pass through any combustible material. So if it passes through combustible material, what will happen? It will get ignite, then leads to explosion or fire hazards. And a pool type long rod of any good conduct is attached on a tallest structure at the site. Because of its good conductivity, low electrical resistance, the electrical current of the lightning is directly passed into the earth, and it is necessary to check its continuity and resistance of the lightning arrestor at regular intervals. And it is not desirable to attach a lightning arrestor directly, and also a metal tank of the flammable liquid or gases. In case of any unknown disconnectivity, a lightning may pass through the material surface, and also whole tank may trap in the fire. So what will happen? They'll have in and around one specific lightning arrestor. They are not going to attach with the any tank or any storage. Otherwise, what will happen in case of any disconnectivity? The lightning or the discharge may passes through the material. It will leads to accident. Generally, a good metallic pole in the highest or the elevated levels in the building, they used to keep the lightning arrestor so that it can attract the energy and it will take it a safe path and it will discharge into the earth. Now we'll see a lightning protection system, how it works. It is a rod in a single component of the system. A lightning rod requires a connection to the earth to perform its protective function. So it is made for to attract the lightning to safely send it to the ground. And the lightning rods come in many different forms, including hollow, solid, pointed, rounded, or flat strap, or even a Bristol brush like. So it may be in a different shape or in the different form. Form in the sense it is in a solid, it will be in a different shape. Even you can see in the old companies, they used to put like a threshold. That is also one kind of keeping a lightning arrestor. And the main attribute of common to all the lightning rod is that they're all made up of conductive materials. Conductive material in the sense, these materials are having a natural or habit of allowing the charges through them and pass it to the earth. They'll allow the charges. The main attribute is conductive metals such as copper and aluminum. Copper and its alloys are most common materials used in the lightning protection. So copper and aluminum are the good conductors. Compared with aluminum, copper is a very good conductor. So mostly they use copper material for such kind of lightning arresters manufacturing. And a lightning protection system includes a network of air terminals and also bonding conductors and a ground electrodes designed to provide a low impedance path to the ground for potential strikes. And lightning protection system are used to prevent the lightning strikes damage to the structure. Definitely, they'll have the conductors and it will be dedicatedly provided an earth pit. It is not going to be mixed with the common earth pits. It will have a dedicated earth pit for the discharge. Then it will have a very good conductive metals. And also the earth pit has to be maintained at the low resistance so that it will protect the structure. You can see how it works as in a pictorial representation. The negative charge, because of earth is in a very positive charge, you get a positive, nearby automatically, it will gets the discharge. It is trying to balance the energy. This is how it will attract. That's why our parents or the people used to say that whenever there is a ride, don't stand underneath the trees because of height. When there is no nearby any tall structure or any other object, the lightning may attracted by the tree because of positive charge which is there because it is connected to the earth. So that's why they used to say don't stand nearby. For your reference, you can search Indian standard for the lightning arrestor. Just a minute. I'll tell you the Indian standard so that there you can see the structure and more technical detail with respect to the lightning arrestor. It is not with respect to exam. For your own reference, you can search or you can read it. There is a standard called IEC 62305 for the protection against the lightning arrestor. You can refer this. I can copy in chat. And there is one more. highest standard also. This also you can refer. These two standards you can refer for the more about the installation, specification of the materials, and erection, etc., etc. You get the more technical detail, which for your personal betterment about this specific topic. Any questions in this? You can put in chat box if you have any questions. I have just unshared it. I'll share it. So from the starting, you are not able to see the slides, or now you are not able to see the slides, something? Just wait a bit. I'll unmute it. So no, now I have unshared it. That's all. We have done with the presentation. After this, we don't have a slide. We have a last slide. That's all. Okay. No questions. We can wind up. We'll meet in tomorrow the same time. Tomorrow we'll discuss work at height or electrical hazards. Okay. Thank you so much.